A yarn over is one of the most basic techniques in crochet. You use it in almost every crochet stitch. So it's important to get the direction right. So as the name implies, you're going to be putting the yarn over your hook from the back to the front over the top of your hook. Another way I've seen this explained is that your working yarn is always behind your crochet hook, and think about pushing the yarn away from you and then grabbing it. The incorrect way to do it is this way. So as you can see, if you needed to grab this yarn, you'd have to turn your hook away from you to pull it. I guess you could kind of make it work this way, but that feels really unstable. And in this direction, the yarn is coming from the bottom to the top of the hook. So I would say this is sort of like yarn undering, which is not a technique that I'm aware of. And if you were going to go in this direction, you'd be pulling the yarn towards you instead of the correct way, which is pushing the yarn away from you. So let's see this in action. Here's an example of a stitch where you would use it. This is a single crochet stitch. I've inserted the hook into the stitch, and now I'm putting the yarn over the hook from the top to the bottom, pulling it through, and again pushing the yarn away from me, putting the yarn over the top of the hook from the top to the bottom, and then pulling it through.